Well, I completed installing my Boomba mounts. As you can see here, here's the top Dogbone torque mount. Took me about 2 hours to do all three torque mounts by myself with no help, and just going off the instructions that Boomba provided. So let's go ahead and give it a first start and see how bad the vibrations are. Okay, so we're inside the car right now. Gonna give it a good crank, see how it is. Okay, so this is a cold start. You can feel that there are vibrations to the steering wheel, but it's not as bad as what I expected it to be. The shift knob, a little vibration compared to when it was stock. It's actually not bad at all. There's my rear view mirror. Does you can feel the vibration, but you can't really see it. Actually, yeah, you can kind of see it. The dash doesn't creak or anything bad. So overall, it's not bad at all. First start. Some people say that the vibrations do die down a little bit more after a few weeks. So if it does die down after this, it's actually not that bad. It's not bad at all. At least when it's idling right now. But maybe when you're driving it, it'll feel different. But as far as first start goes, it's not bad.